2018 Ecosport battery replacement. Start by removing that negative terminal. Open up this box, take that one bolt off. That's going to allow you to move that wire off of the fuse, and then you're going to have space to move that entire bracket box over to the side. Now once you get this over, if you have a zip tie, you can zip tie it, but there's more than enough wire to just wedge it over to the side to keep it out of your way, just like that. Now I've already taken off 2 of the bolts. There's 3 bolts holding down this clamp. Once you get those off, that hold down is going to come right out. Slide that out. Now from here, there's a little bit of space between the top and the battery. So you'll notice where I have the handle up, it's running into the top. I'm going to get a better angle right here from the side, put that handle down, and then it's a lot easier to slide out. You kind of just tilt it up towards you, slide it right back at an angle. Putting the new one in, same thing. I'll get a better angle so you can see how I tip it down. There's a little slot in the bottom that you want that bottom of the battery to just fall into. Once you get that in there, you're done. Put everything back reverse, good to go, job finished. Let's get it. Like and subscribe.